I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just...
3. It's too late.
That's what you want?
No.
Yeah, short.
Oh God, you got a lot of hair.
Still a lot of hair. You better not chop that off.
So I just cut my son's hair for the first time. He hasn't had his hair cut since he was 6 years old. So it's a little sentimental, but it is what it is. He's outside chilling.
Some more of these, they bite me. And these on both sides.
Alright, so we'll just see what it looks like when they're done. Okay, but right now, I need to wash some clothes and I need to order like a whole bunch of food. I need to order, y'all, I'm sick. He's ready to come in. So let him in right quick and then I'm gonna tell you guys my plans for the rest of the day. He's a house dog, as y'all can see, because he hates staying outside for a long time. This door is getting on my nerves. All right, so come here, Papa. Come here. Where are you going? I get you off the leash. You ain't got no patience. Now he want a treat because he gets a treat every time he goes potty. But I think that's getting played out. You potty trained already. You don't need a treat every time you go potty. All right, so like I was saying, I'm gonna do like a little dinner party for my husband because it is his birthday today, December 24th. So I was thinking of ordering some steak. I need to get my stand, you guys. Some steak, maybe some seafood, like maybe a seafood boil or something like that. I was supposed to make him do a trick before I gave him that, but I got distracted. But yeah, seafood boil or maybe some steak. And I might make the steak with the meter that I have here. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, so first I need to clean this kitchen, and then I need to clean this dining room and get it like nice and pretty and all that good stuff. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. But first I need to go ahead and I need to gather some supplies for the dinner party. The girls are, I just keep coughing. The girls are over here chilling.
He's gonna knock you down. And guys play a game with me.
They are chilling, doing their thing.
And guys playing a game.
No,
Yeah.
knock this tower.
What are y'all playing?
This little game, and there's some kind of dog chasing us. I forgot his name.
It's a Cavi.
Oh, ow, ah.
Well, dang, it's a long fall. Oh my God. He made it to the ground and popped back up like nothing.
I am a boy.
What in the world?
I'm a boy.
He just popped up like he ain't fall for 5 minutes straight. Anyways, let me get all my supplies together. And then I'll pick you guys back up when I get everything together. We need to go to the store because the tooth fairy came last night. Excuse me, my voice. So she needs to go to the store to go shopping. Right, mommy? You ready to go shopping with your cute purse? Mm-hmm. Gotta do that, and then I'm probably gonna make a Starbucks run. And then gather some supplies. So, pick you guys back up later. I need to take a photo right here.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else does me like you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
What mommy's going in.
It's in salmon, the crab boiled stuff, the steak, vegetables. The kids wanted that chicken because they're not big on seafood. Hazel's big on seafood, but
I love
y'all
seafood.
aren't.
I love seafood.
White part too. We'll just eat the yellow part.
Oh. Oh, let's get it all the way to pile.
Why on my turn?
Next morning. I look crazy, but I need to go outside this morning and tend to my backyard. I'm out here with no pants on. Look at all these. The anthills are like ridiculously big. So let me clean out here this morning. Obviously, I need some coffee. I might take a Starbucks run because I gotta do these cabinets. They're going gray. I've got a lot to do, you guys. Over here. This is what I am eating for breakfast. Granola cereal. It's the little granola wheat bags. Let me show y'all what it is. Of course, I forget the name, but it's from Costco. Yeah, that's what it's called. The Kirkland Ancient Greens. And it has like probiotics in it. It has, I think, half almonds. So yeah. Oh, here we go. It's right here in the back. But these are all the grains that are in the cereal. Or not really cereal, but I use this for cereal. I use it for, excuse my pantry. I use it for my yogurt. And then sometimes I like add chia seeds with it. And let me go ahead and finish eating my breakfast right quick, and then I need to make a run to Starbucks and then a couple of errands. But yeah, I need to get some hangers, I need to get some wine glasses, and a couple of other things. So let me go ahead and finish my food. We did our little Starbucks run.
Get my belly off the screen.
I'm trying.
Oh my God.
Got the brulee. I got the something brulee. I think that's like the new flavor at Starbucks. And then he got the dragon drink.
Yeah, she put my belly on the screen. Oh my God.
Gosh, and he got the regular dragon drink.
This shirt's too tight.
Me too. I'm about to go in here and work out actually.
I'm gonna work out too. I'm gonna do my arm up and down like this.
Oh no, we gotta do the no. You think it's a joke till it's not a joke.
You know how hard it is to lift your arm up like that in succession with the bite? That takes.
What about your other arm?
That's what I'm saying. When that swing gets tired, then I'll switch it up. You gotta keep your reps going.
So we are going to do our cabinets. We took all the doors, well, he took all the doors off the cabinets, and we've already measured them, and I think we measured a couple of them and cut them out over here. So what we're doing now is, so he's gonna do the sticker part. I don't know what I'm gonna do. What am I gonna do? You want me to do the stickers too?